Welcome all. This is the first video of this series. I'm going to tell you how to create certain Procreate brushes. Today we're going to do a name brush. Start off by picking whatever brush you would like. And you're just going to draw or write out your name or logo or whatever type of stamp you would like to make. Here I'm just going to write down my YouTube name. So I'm going to just draw a little butterfly underneath. You can add whatever you like. Also, make sure you draw in white and then have your background blank. Turn off your background. Then we're going to copy the layer. And then we're going to create the brush. Go to brush library and click the plus. And click shape. You're going to click edit. Go to import. Paste. And then you'll have your picture there. Click done. Make sure you do that. Now we have a brush, but we want it to make it more of a stamp. So we're going to go to we're going to go to properties and turn the size up. You can turn the size up as much as you would like. We have our stamp. We're going to change a little bit more settings because the opacity is off. When you stamp, it would be. As you can see there. So let's go back to your brush. And we're going to go to stabilization. Or no, we're going to go stroke path and put up the spacing settings. And then we're going to go to shape and go down under shape behavior and put the count up. That way the opacity of the brush is up. And depending on the pressure you put on the brush, the bigger it'll be or smaller. So don't forget also to name your brush. You click about and then click at the top and name it whatever you would like. And click done. You can also change the color of your stamp to whatever you would like also. And this works with anything you would draw. It doesn't have to be just your name. Just follow the settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.